Hello everybody and welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. If you've not already hit subscribe, do it right now for workouts, nutritional advice and special recipes. Today I have a really fun workout for you. This workout is going to be about using your towel to get a deeper connection with your muscles. So for this workout you are going to need a towel. Doesn't matter what size towel you have, but it needs to be bigger than a flannel. So you need a hand towel, one like this, a medium-sized towel. You can also use a bigger bath towel as well, but you do need a towel for this workout. This workout is going to be focusing on your thighs, tone your thighs, and we're going to do some ab workout as well. So enjoy the workout. Leave me a comment down below after you've done it and let me know how you got on. Let's get straight into the workout. Bringing yourself onto your mat, we're going to start with some shoulder rolls round as we normally do. Inhale. Exhale. Then you're going to bring your hands, clasp them together. You're just going to warm up the legs. So we're going to go side to side lunge, right side first. So you're just going one side lunge, lift it back up. You want to bend through the knee, incline the body down, the whole foot prints to the floor as you drop down. Lift it back up, two more this side. Then we're going to switch it up. And then other side, we go lunge, lift back up again. Lunge down. So you want to sink right into that leg, drop the hips to the floor, bend through the outside knee, drop all the way down, lift it back up. You've got 4 more and lift. 3 more, lift it back up. Go 2, lift up. Last one, lift up. We're going to go straight into your first exercise. Grabbing a hold of your towel. You're going to fold your towel up once, fold it in half. Fold it in half again, and then one more time fold it in half. So you've created this cushion here. You're then going to grab a hold of the towel and send it in between your thighs. You want it right in between those thighs, and the towel is acting as a bit of resistance. Feet underneath the hips, bend through the knees, hands on the waist, lift the heels up and away from the floor. Now start taking your miniature squeezes of your towel. In, squeeze, squeeze. So you've got the towel rolled up here like a cushion. Squeeze it in between your thighs. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. So this is activating here into your inner thighs. Squeeze, squeeze. You're also activating the top of the thighs. Squeeze, squeeze. Now think about your posture. Pull the navel in, roll the shoulders backwards and down. Let's improve your posture today as well as toning your thighs. Squeeze, squeeze. Now make those squeezes as tight as you can. Your feet are under the hips. The heels are just slightly raised off the floor. Squeeze. It should be starting to burn already. Squeeze. Go in. You've got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. Pull the belly button in. Lower the tailbone down to the floor. The knees are tracking over the top of your middle toe here. The heels are just slightly lifted up and away. You're going to go little squeezes down. Pull, drop, drop, drop. So now the tailbone is going down to the floor. You've got a gorgeous spine. The navel is squeezed in so super tight. Can you start to get to the burn in your thighs? This is also great for improving your balance. Little squeeze, little drop, keep going, press. Now as you pulse down to the floor with the tailbone, you are squeezing the towel as tight as you possibly can. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, hold in 6, 5, still in the same 4, you've got it, 3, 2, hold, stay right where you are, don't give in, I know you want to. From here, the heels are now gonna rock as high as you possibly can. The heels are high. You have on the highest pair of heels that you own. Squeeze the towel between your thighs. It is burning me too. Then you're gonna drop the tailbone a little bit lower down to the floor. Stay here. Incline the body forwards. Pull the navel in. You've got it. I know you're shaking and burning. You want to hold on to that. Now little tiny press. Press. I'm shaking too. You have your highest pair of heels that you own on, and you are still squeezing the towel in between the thighs. Press the tailbone down. You've got it. Push. Press. 10. Then we are out. 8, 7, 6. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give legs a quick shake off. From here, Let the towel go. You're then going to fold the towel up so it becomes long like this. Bring the feet in towards a wide plie squat position, one of my favorites. So the feet are nice and wide. Sink the tailbone to the floor, and then from here the tailbone is pushing all the way down. You're going to reach the towel out in front of yourself. So the towel is nice and tight here. You've got the towel pulled all the way out as much as you can. Push the tailbone down. Your fingertips here in line with the shoulders. Inhale the breath in. Exhale the breath away. From here, we're going to go. Lift the towel, drop the towel. Lift the towel, lower. Lift up, drop down. The hips, they are super still. Take a look down at your thighs here. Are your knees gliding towards your middle toe? Do not let the knees cave in. If you feel a little bit of inside knee pain here, you need to turn your legs out more, push the back of the thighs behind yourself, so you're activating your quads even more. When you go lift the towel, lower the towel. Can you sink those hips a little bit further down? 3 till a hold, 2 till a hold. Hold the towel high. Push the tailbone down. I know it's a burner. Inhale in. Exhale. If you're going anywhere, you're going down to the floor. Hold right where you are. Now you're going to bring one heel off the floor. Doesn't matter which one, just lift the heel off the floor. Same arm as leg over to the side, back through the center and lift. I'm shaking all the way over, so you're getting a little bit of waistline work here. So you're going to go squeeze all the way up with the towel back to the center. Any spinal injuries or issues, or this doesn't feel right for you, hold in the center. You will still get a good thigh burn all the way over. And lift. One more here, all the way over. Lift. Now lower the heel down. Other heel presses high. Squeeze over. So you're getting some waistline work here too. If you can see my leg uncontrollably shaking. Yep, I am burning with you. Back through the center and lift. You've got 3 more here to go. Through the center. You've got 2 more over. Through the center. Now last one, all the way over. Through the center. Now lower both the heels down. Push the tailbone even lower. You're going to go back to those little tiny presses like we did in your first bicep. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Can you get the muscles to that point where you really want to give in and then push through the barrier, break the barrier, get the thighs that you want today. Squeeze and push. Squeeze. You've got 10 more presses. 9, 8, holding 7, 6. You've got 5, 4. We're going to hold in 3, 2, 1. Stick with me, I know it burns. One heel goes high. Other heel goes high. Push the tailbone down and find stillness. The towel is over the top of the head. The heels are high. Give me 10 seconds and it's over. 9, go 8. Push through. Drop the tailbone lower. 6, go 5. Is it burning yet? You've got 4. I'm shaking. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give the legs a quick shake off. Bring it in towards a thigh stretch. You can grab on hold of something if you need something to balance. If not, right heel to right glute, knee to the floor, little thigh stretch. We are not done yet with the workout. Other side, heel to glute, push the knee to the floor. Then you're gonna go down to the floor. You're gonna grab a hold of your towel again, and you're gonna fold the towel up. Again, doesn't matter what size towel you have. You can, in fact, you could use a cushion for this as well, off the sofa. So I folded mine up like that. You're gonna send it in between your thighs. Let's go into some ab work. Towels in between your thighs, hands come under the shoulders, tuck the toes under, press the feet backwards. So the towel is there to just add a little bit of challenge to your inner thighs and to your glutes. Now squeeze the towel as tight spine, close the ribs together to activate those transverse abdominals. Get the waistline that you want today. Breathe in, breathe out, exhale away. Whew. You're gonna go a little gentle rock forward, little rock back. Gentle rock forward, gentle rock back. Gentle rock forward, press back. If you want the modification here, it will be on the screen right now. You just need to drop the knees down to the floor, come to the fleshy part of your thighs. If you are up here with me, keep on going. Inhale in, exhale, push forward, all the way back. Keep squeezing the towel. 3 more here. Push all the way back. You've got it. 2 more here. Press all the way back. 1 more. All the way forward. Now press back and hold. Stillness. Squeeze the towel as tight as you can. Imagine the towel is wet. You're trying to get all the water out of that towel. Squeeze it as tight as you can. Activate your glutes, your inner thighs. Eye line to the floor. 10 seconds here. 9, 8, 7, 6. So you've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Get rid of that towel. Bring the feet round to the front. Now you've warmed up your abs. We're going to go in towards your next ab set. Let the towel go again. Fun workout today with this towel. You're going to take the towel into your hands, shoulder distance apart. Bring the towel in front of yourself, shoulder distance apart. Feet are imprinted to the floor. Now tuck the tailbone under, press your lumbar spine to the floor. So your body here is in a C-shaped position. Eye line forwards, feet are imprinted to the floor. Inhale in, exhale, squeeze the towel to the ceiling. Lower it all the way back down again. Inhale in, exhale, bring the towel up to the ceiling, bring it back down again. Your body here is in a C-shaped position. So the tailbone is on the floor, coccyx on the floor, lumbar spine is really trying to get down. Shoulders are above your knees here with placement. Squeeze all the way down. We have 4 more of these to go. Lift up. Lower all the way back down. You've got it. 3 more. Lift all the way up. Should have started to burn now through those abs. Drop back down. 1 more here. All the way up. And then lower the towel so it's over the top of the knees. Really, really carefully and slowly. Imagine you're rowing a boat all the way to the left. Through center. Same right side. Center. Left side. Center. So you are twisting through the waistline here. Imagine your waist is like a towel. It is wet and soggy. You need to twist it, wring it to get all the water out of it. Keep the hips forward, twist through the waist. Keep going. It's so important to breathe. I know it's getting tough. Back to the center. 3 more here. Keep tucking that pelvis under. 2 more here. Twist and center. 1 more. Twist. Back to the center. Now can you press the lower back further to the floor? Back into those. Lift. Lower. But this time we're going to take it a little bit faster. Lift. Drop. Lift up. Lower down. You've got it. Up. Drop. 5. Lower. 4. I know it's a burner. You've got 3. Drop. 2. Drop. Now last one. Lift up and hold. If you want the modification, bring the towel back down towards your thighs. Tuck the tailbone under. Stay there. Now the towel is going to go back. Back. Woo, back. Now your abs, they do not move. Your tailbone, it does not move. The towel is just going back, back, back. You are done here in 10, in 9. Keep tucking the tailbone under. 7, 6, 5 more presses back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Drop the towel to the floor. Find yourself a cross-legged position. Bring your left hand past your right knee. Twist all the way around. Back to the center. Bring your right hand past the left knee. Through the middle. We are going to go for 1 more ab set here today. Surprises coming up in your workout. Lower yourself all the way down. Again, really grab hold of the towel. You're going to pop the towel on top of your thighs. Breathe in. Breathe out, exhale. Run the towel all the way up the front of your thighs. Chin to chest, lift. And then roll back down to the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Chin to chest all the way up and crunch. All the way back down to the floor. Now, if this is too strenuous on your neck, you can always bring one hand behind the head to support your neck. Inhale. Exhale, chin to chest, all the way up, lift, squeeze. So now you have worked in that first exercise and second exercise on your transverse abs, the deepest layer of abdominals. You're now coming to work your rectus abdominals, the top layer, where you're going to get all that tone, the six-pack region as everyone knows it. You've got 3 more here, squeeze, lift and crunch. All the way down, 2 more. Chin to chest, lift all the way up. All the way back down. This one you're going to hold it
chin to chest. Now lift up and reach the towel. Try and reach the towel over the top of your knees. Head, neck, shoulder off the floor. Chin is tucked right in. You're gonna take a little bend and reach with the arms. Now draw the towel as tight as you possibly can in the hands. Head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Bend, reach, and really tug at that towel. You are done in 10, 9, 8. Then we're gonna stretch. You've got 6. Can you get it burning more? Lift higher. 4, 3. You've got it. 2, 1. Well done. Drop the towel down. Draw the knees to the chest. Give yourself a little rock side to side. Send the knees off to one side. Twist through the waistline. And carefully bring the knees all the way back round to the other side. Twist through the waist. Back through the middle. Draw the knees to the chest. Rock yourself back. Rock yourself all the way up and forwards. Bring yourself to a seated position. Hands come on the thighs. Little shoulder roll round. Inhale in with the breath. Exhale. And well done in your thigh and ab workout today. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more workouts, nutritional advice and special recipes, including gluten-free and nut-free. Anything you want to see next, comment down below. Let me know what you would love to do as a workout. I will see you all again soon. Bye.